When a photo looks dull or flat, the small adjustment inside Affinity Photo can feel confusing. Levels, contrast, color balance, everything sits in front of you and you just want the picture to look clean and bright. This happens often when a photo is taken quickly on a phone or in low light and the result needs a fast touch up. The good news is that Affinity Photo 3 has a simple way to fix this with one click, and this tutorial works through it step by step so you know exactly what to do. Start by opening your photo inside Affinity Photo 3. Keep the photo selected, then move your eyes up to the top menu. The option named Pixel is the place to begin. Once you open that menu, a long list appears, but the part that matters sits under filters. Inside this section, look for colors, and this is where the one-click tools are waiting. The first option is Auto Levels. This feature tells Affinity to scan the darkest parts of your photo and the brightest parts. Then adjust the tones so everything looks balanced. Levels often feels like a mystery when adjusted manually, so this automatic step helps you skip the guesswork. Many photos instantly look sharper after this change because the shadows and highlights become clearer. There is another feature called auto contrast. When a photo has washed out sections or look too flat, this option helps. The software increases the separation between light and dark areas, so edges and details stand out more. Photos with soft lighting usually benefits from this, and it often creates a stronger sense of depth. So, to use this feature, go again to Pixels, then select Filters, and then under Colors, select Auto Contrast. If you want even more control about your colors, there is an option called Auto Colors. So again, go to Pixels, then Filters, and again select Colors, and here you can find Auto Colors option. This one checks the hues inside the image and fixes problems like color cast or dull saturation. For example, if a photo looks a bit blue from indoor lighting, outdoor colors adjustments the tones so the image appears more natural. Sometimes it also gives a small boost to saturation, which makes the picture feel more alive without extra effort. You can use these tools one at a time or tap them in a quick sequence. Each one changes different part of the image and they stack well together. It helps to try auto levels first, then check auto contrast and finish with auto colors. This simple order helps the software read the information in your photo more effectively, and the final result usually looks clean and balanced. A short edit like this saves time, especially when a large batch of photos needs a consistent look. Many new users rely on these one-click tools before learning manual adjustments, and this approach works well. Once the picture looks good, you can still make extra changes later if you want a stronger style. Now, the photo feels brighter, clearer, and more polished, all with just a few steps. With these tools, you have a simple way to fix common issues without digging into complicated panels. This gives you more control over the program and helps you work faster every time you open a new image.